Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. And here we have the Jaguar F-Type on a 21 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see that it's a 3-door car with those black alloy wheels. It's also worth me mentioning that this vehicle has had 3 services to date, and we actually supplied the car to its previous owner as well. Now, I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot space first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, given the nature of the vehicle. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls, as I mentioned. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can firstly see the alloy wheels are all in great condition, as is the bodywork the whole way around, and it's a fantastic looking car as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. In the centre we have the rev counter, the digital readout for the speedometer, the fuel gauge, the cooling temperature gauge, and it will show you what gear this car is. It's automatic, and we're in park at the moment, of course. Below that, you can see the total miles for this car. They are only 3,322. You can customize the information shown on screen. So, for example, on the right-hand side there, you have satellite navigation at the minute. You can change that should you wish to. Out onto the steering wheel, we have stereo and phone controls. Over on the right-hand side, cruise control and speed limiter. You can change down and up a gear manually on this automatic gearbox using these paddles should you wish to. And then over into the centre next, we have the main touchscreen for the car. So you can access, amongst other things, your satellite navigation. As you can see, you have various options along the bottom just here for sat-nav, your phone, your audio. The home screen will take you back to where we started a moment ago, where you can, if you wish to, access your media. There are a number of ways in which you can listen to the radio firstly. If you hit band, you'll see DAB, FM and AM. We can go back a step from down here. If we hit source, we've got our radio on there. You can listen to your own music should you wish to. You could stream it wirelessly via Bluetooth audio, for example, once you've set up your phone, which is done on the screen just there. On top of that, we have a full color reversing camera, as you can see, with guidelines that show you what direction the car is headed in relation to the image that's being shown on the screen. Below that, we have dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger temperature, driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed from here. When you do so, the fans will actually open up just above the screen there for you as well. Once you're happy with those settings, you can turn your air conditioning on and off. So off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperatures that you've asked for by taking control of the fan speed and direction of the air for you. Any manual adjustment will take auto off straight away again. We have a 12-volt charging socket. The start and stop button for the engine, you just need to make sure the key is in the vehicle with you. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. The volume for your stereo. You can change the driving setup of the car here, as you can see, depending on the driving conditions. You can also change or turn on and off your traction control. You can turn on the sports exhaust, which will make it louder essentially. You can turn off the stop and start, and you can raise and lower the rear spoiler from on here as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video walk around of the vehicle, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.